Very good morning, students. Previous class I have explained till self practice 12a. Now we have to go for next our self practice, that is 12b. In this also we have to use same types of formula only. Here different figure is given. Some mixed figure is given, triangle and trapezium like that, and hexagon, pentagon. We have to find area of these types of figure. So again here we will use this same formula, area of trapezium. Sometimes we will use area of triangle and rectangles sometimes also. In the first question, just you see here, this one is the pentagon is given, A, B, C, D, E. We have to find area of this pentagon. Okay, means these are the polygon is given. This one is pentagon, this one is hexagon, this one is also hexagon, this one is again pentagon. So how will find area of these types of figure? Here, just you divide, already we have drawn one line, DE. So this pentagon is divided in two parts. One is triangle and another is trapezium. So first of all, we have to find area of both the part. Then we will add, then it will come area of whole pentagon. Okay, so upper part is triangle. So first of all, we have to find area of triangle. Area of triangle ABE. So we will use here formula half into base into height. Half into B into H. And here given base is 30 and height is 12. So half into 30 into 12. Now we will cancel out, it will come 6. 30 into 6, it will come 180 square centimeter. 180 square centimeter square. Now we have to find below part, means area of trapezium. So we have to use a formula of area of trapezium. Area of trapezium formula is half into sum of parallel side into height. So all are given here. Parallel side is this one, both are parallel side, and height is 15. So half into sum of parallel side is 30 plus 24 into 15. Okay, so half into 30 plus 24, how much will come? It will come 54 into 15. Now we will cancel out 27 2 is 54. Now we will multiply 27 into 15. How much will come? 27 into 15. 27 5 is 135, and here 27. Then it will come 50 and here 405. Means 405 centimeter square. Now we have to find area of whole pentagon. So we will add this both area. So area of pentagon. ABCDE is equal to 180 plus 405. Then it will come 5, 8 and 5, 4 plus 1, 5 centimeter square. Means 585 centimeter square. This is the final answer. Now next question number 2. Here hexagon is given PQRSTU. These are the hexagon. Here we have to find area of this hexagon. So how will find this? Because we don't know a formula of area of hexagon. For that we will use some different method. Means just here draw joint P to S diagonal. Okay. By this joining, this hexagon is divided into two parts. This one, this side and this side. Both are trapezium. So we will find here area of trapezium. Then it will come the final answer. Okay. So area of trapezium this one and area of trapezium this one. After that we will add both the area. Then we will get area of hexagon. So first of all we will find area of trapezium PQRS. Here sum of parallel side. We will use here sum of parallel side. So here parallel side is QR and PS. Okay. So QR is 28. This one is 28 centimeter. And PS is how much? We will add this all three, then it will come total PS. So PS is equal to 15 plus 28 plus 15 means 30. 30 plus 28, it will come 58 centimeter. Okay. So PS is equal to 58 centimeter and QR is equal to 28 centimeter. After that, we have to use height also we need. So here 40 total is given. We will divide by 2 means half. Then it will come 20 centimeter. Then now we have to use here area of trapezium. Area of trapezium PQRS. Area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides. here 28 plus 58 into height is 20. Okay, now we will cancel out, it will come 10, and here we will add 8 plus 8 16 carry 1, and here 86 into 10, it will come 860 centimeter square. And if you find area of this side of trapezium, same will come. It means we will double this trapezium, area of this trapezium, then we will get area of hexagon. So directly we can write here area of hexagon. Area of hexagon is equal to 860 into 2. So it will come 0. 6 to the 12 carry 1. 8, 16, 17 means 1720 centimeter square. This is the final answer. Okay, so area of hexagon is 1720 centimeter square. Now in the third question here also hexagon is given and all sides are given 8 centimeter because regular hexagon here. This one is the regular hexagon, means all sides are equal. Now we have to find area of this hexagon. How we will find? First of all, we will here just join all the diagonal here. Join all the diagonal. Then figure will come like this. Means whatever triangle, these are the triangle is here 6 triangle are divided. So these are the equilateral triangle, okay, and side is 8 centimeter. So just you put here name A, B, C, D, E and F, and here O. Now if you able to find area of one triangle, then you have to multiply by 6. Then you will get the answer of whole hexagon. Because 6 triangle is given and all are equal in area, okay, because regular hexagon is there, that's why. Now we have to find area of triangle ABO or AOB. Area of triangle AOB. Formula area of equilateral triangle is √3 upon 4 side square. And here side is 8, so √3 upon 4 into 8 square. So it will come √3 upon 4 into 64. 8 square is 16. We will cancel out 16 will come. Okay. So 16 √3 centimeter square will come area of one triangle. Now we have to multiply by 6 because 6 triangle are there. Then it will come area of hexagon. So area of hexagon ABCDEF. Area of hexagon is equal to 16 √3 into 6. Then it will come 96 √3 centimeter square. So total answer is area of hexagon is 96 √3 centimeter square. Now we will go for question number 5. Just you see question number 4, just try yourself. I have left for you. Question number 5 I will do now only. Just you see the figure what is given in how we will try. How we will proceed in this question number 5. So now we have to solve question number 5. Here again this one is the triangle and this one is the trapezium. So we have to find both, then we will come whole figure answer. So here use area of triangle first of all. Area of triangle RSV. Area of triangle RSV is equal to half into base into height. So base is 8 and height is 10. We will cancel out 4. So it will come 40 centimeter square. Now we have to find area of trapezium. So area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel side. So half into parallel side is 8 and 14. So it will come 8 plus 14 and height is how much? Total height is 17. Just we will minus here, then it will come height is 7. Okay. So we have to use here 7 centimeter. So half into 22 into 7. Cancel out 11 into 7, 77 centimeter square. Now we will add both the area, then it will come area of pentagon. So area of pentagon RSPUB is equal to 40 plus 77. So it will come 7 and 7 plus 4, 11. 117 centimeter square. So this is the final answer of question number 5. Now we have to find question, we have to solve question number 6. Here diagram is given A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are the figure. Here, how we will find area of this figure? Here, some complicated diagram is given. How will you use formula? Just you join this C here, just you proceed this one to this, and again just join to this. Then it is divided in three figure. Okay, this one is the rectangle, this one is the trapezium, this one is the again rectangle. Okay, now we have to find this three figure area, then we will add, we will get total area. Okay, so area of rectangle AB, just you put here name H, ABHG is equal to length into breadth. Length is 27, breadth is 4, so it will come 108. 27 4 is 108 centimeter square. So area of rectangle is, upper rectangle is, bigger rectangle is 108 centimeter square. Now we have to find area of trapezium. So area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel side. So this one is the sum parallel side. So how much length will come of this parallel side? This one is rectangle, so it is 9 centimeter. How will find this one? Total is 27. Here 10 is there, so just we will subtract. Then it will come 27 minus 10, 17 centimeter. And how much we will use height of this trapezium? So we can find here total height is 15. 4 minus here and 8 minus here. So finally it will come 15. Height is equal to 15 minus 4 minus 8 means 15 minus 12. It will come 3 centimeter. Now we will use here formula. Area of trapezium half into sum of parallel side, 9 plus 17 into 3. Height is 3. So half into 9 plus 17, how much will come? 26 into 3. Now we will cancel out 13. 13 into 3, 39 centimeter square. So area of trapezium is 39 centimeter square. Okay. After that we have to find area of small rectangle. Area of rectangle DEFI. Area of rectangle DEFI is equal to length into breadth 9 into 8. So it will come 72 centimeter square. Now we will add all three figure area, then we will get final answer. So area of figure is equal to, area of whole figure is equal to 108 plus 39 plus 72. Okay, so now we will add 10, 10 plus 9, 19 carry 1, 8 plus 3, 11 carry 1, 2. So 219 centimeter square total area of this figure. Okay, this is the final answer, question number 6. Now we have to do question number 7. Here again hexagon is given and regular hexagon is given, but this question is asking, in question we have to find area of the regular hexagon by using two methods. First method is by splitting into two congruent triangle and a rectangle. So how will solve here? Two congruent triangle or rectangle means like this. We have to find like this. Okay, this one is a rectangle and this one, both are congruent triangle. Okay, so we have to find area of this triangle and this rectangle. Then we will add all three. Then we will get answer. Okay. Before that, first of all we have to find length is, rectangle of length is 10 centimeter because 10 is given. So 10 centimeter, and height of triangle is 4. So we can find easily area of triangle first of all. Area of triangle ABF. Area of triangle ABF is equal to half into base 10. Base is 10 only and height is 4. Cancel out 2. So it will come 20 centimeter square. Same area will come in this below triangle also. Now we have to find area of rectangle. Area of rectangle BCEF is equal to L into D. So here length is 10 and breadth is 7. So 10 into 7, it will come 70 centimeter square. Now we will add all three. Third one also 20 centimeter square. So area of hexagon by using first method is equal to 20 plus 20 plus 70. Okay, so it will come 110 centimeter square area of hexagon. This one is the first method. Now in the second method, question number 7 is asking by splitting two congruent trapezium. So same figure you will draw and that will be split up into two congruent trapezium. Then we have to find area of the regular hexagon. Okay, so in this, just how will we split this regular hexagon into congruent trapezium? This one is the regular hexagon. Okay, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F. Just we have to draw here A to D diagonal. Then it will come two congruent trapezium. Okay. Now we have to find this area. Then we can able to find whole area. So this one is the 15 is given 15 centimeter. This one is 7 centimeter, and total is 10. It means divided. Then it will come 5. So height of trapezium will be 5 centimeter. We will use. Now this one is the second part. Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium A, B, C, D is equal to half into sum of parallel side. So parallel side is 15 and 7. 15 plus 7 into height is 5. So half into 15 to 7, 20. 15 plus 7, 22 into 5. We will cancel out. It will come 11. 11 into 5, 55 centimeter square. So area of first one trapezium is 55. Same congruent trapezium is there. So area will be equal. So total area of hexagon, total area of hexagon is equal to, just we have to double this area, is equal to 55 into 2, it will come same 110 centimeter square. So either you use this method or this method, you will get same area because figure is same. Okay, now we have to go for next question, that is question number 8. First of all, read the question and understand what they are asking in this question. First of all, read carefully. So in the question number 8, here question is asking the perimeter of a square and regular hexagon are equal. Find the ratio of the area of hexagon to the area of the square. So perimeter both are equal. Perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of hexagon is given. So just I have supposed perimeter of square is equal to x. And now we have to use a formula of perimeter of square. So 4 into side is equal to x. So side is equal to how much will come? X upon 4. So this is side of square. Now we have to find perimeter of hexagon will be same x. So perimeter of hexagon is equal to x. Hexagon is equal to x. And here question is given. Regular hexagon means all sides are equal. So perimeter of hexagon formula is 6 into side. 6 into side is equal to x. So side is equal to again x upon 6 units, whatever. Now we have to find area of square and area of hexagon. Then we have to find ratio. Okay. So area of square formula is directly given side into side. Okay. So just you find area of square. Area of square is equal to side into side, means x upon 4 into x upon 4. So it will come x square upon 4 4 is 16. Okay, this is the area of square. Now we have to find area of hexagon. So in the area of hexagon, how we are finding in regular hexagon? We will find area of equilateral triangle and we will multiply by 6. So here side we will use this one only. So area of equilateral triangle side will be x upon 6 only. So area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 upon 4 side square. So side is x upon 6 square. It will come like this. So root 3 into x square upon 4 into 36. So it will come root 3 x square upon 108. Okay, this is the area of equilateral triangle. Now we have to find area of hexagon. So we will multiply by 6. So area of regular hexagon is equal to 6 into area of equilateral triangle. So root 3x square upon 108. Now we will cancel out. So it will come 18. Okay. So root 3x square upon 18. Now we have to find ratio of both. So hexagon, area of hexagon upon area of square. Area of hexagon upon area of square. Area of square. So it will come root 3x square upon 18 upon x square upon 16. So x square will cancel out. After that, root 3 into 16 upon 18. Now we will cancel by 2 here. So 8 to the 16 and 9 to the. So it will come 8 root 3 upon 9. Either if you want to cancel again, but otherwise the answer says root 3 is to 9. This is the ratio of area of hexagon and square. Okay, this is the final answer. Whatever I have left, only I have left fourth question. You have to try yourself and just you have to try all the question based on my method, or you can use your method also. Okay, that's all.